Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Graciela, whatever you want to call me. So as you can see by today's title, we are going to be bleaching a sweatsuit or reverse tie-dye. I actually already did this on my own, so I know how it's gonna look because I did it before, and I was gonna film that, and then I just kind of want to see how it turned out, and I should have just filmed it like my mom told me to, but I didn't, and so we're gonna do it again, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. I've actually been getting like quite a few questions on what I use and like how I did it. The stuff that you will need is just like a sweatsuit or a sweatpants or sweatshirt, whatever you want to tie-dye. This sweatshirt I just got from Walmart. That was about $7, as well as the sweatpants. And these also were about $7, which is actually a really good deal. All right, so then you will also need some rubber binders. These were only about 67 cents, so literally less than $1. And then the next thing that you will need is just regular bleach. I know they have bleach in like the bathroom cleaner. I don't know if that works or not, but this is just the one that I use. And then I also used this spray bottle, and I've already done this, so then this is just like the leftover stuff that I had, so I'm just gonna use this. And I made lines because I filled half of this with water and then the rest of it with bleach. Now that we have all of that settled, I am just gonna go ahead and put rubber binders on my sweatsuit, and I'll just show you how I do that. So let's just go ahead and do that. So I moved the camera lower just so you could see what I am doing. But I'm just going to start with the sweatpants, and I'm just going to take the stickers off of them. You can really do this anyway, but I literally just took the leg of one of the sweatpants and I just scrunched it like this. I'm just going to go ahead and do the rubber binders. Okay. So now you did one leg. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other. Okay, so now that we've done both legs, I'm gonna go ahead and just do the top. I'm just gonna scrunch that as well. Okay, so now I did the top, and we're gonna kind of connect them all together. So I just finished the bottoms, and it just looks like this. There's really no particular way that you have to do this. You know, do it whatever way you want to do it. I just would say don't twist it unless you want the spiral. But if you want it to look more like, not splatter paint, but just like random places, just scrunch it and it'll turn out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the sweatshirt, and again I kind of do it like 3 different sections. I do the sleeves, and then I do like the middle part. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I've now finished both sets, and that literally, oh my gosh, I totally forgot to take the stickers off. But yeah, just remember to take the stickers off before you do this. When you're doing this, I would highly advise to go outside and probably wear some gloves, just because you don't want to get bleach on your hands. But at the moment, I don't really have gloves, so I'm just going to try and not get bleach on my hands. Okay, and I totally forgot to mention, but you're only going to want to leave this on for about 8 to 10 minutes, just because bleach can burn through cotton. I'm just going to go ahead and start bleaching. Okay, so another tip that I have, because I was kind of nervous to get bleach on my actual skin, I literally just put on winter gloves that I got from like the dollar store. And so I'm just going to use that because it's better to be safe than sorry. So another tip is that when you're doing this, you're gonna want to separate and like get in between all the crevices. I hate that word. So I'm gonna go ahead and now just move on to the back side and just spray everywhere. So now it's been 10 minutes, and I'm gonna go rinse these off. So when you're rinsing them out, the water's gonna turn like a orangish color, and you're going to want to rinse that out until the water turns clear. So that's what we're going to go do. So I just finished rinsing out my sweatshirt, and I'm actually going to wash it and then I'm going to dry it. When you put in your detergent, you only use like half of what you would do. So mine you just like fill up in the washer, so you're only going to fill that up halfway. And then you're going to wash that and then you're just going to put it in the dryer. So like I was saying, I literally just fill up halfway with detergent. So this is the max and it's about halfway. And then I'm just going to close that and I'm just going to do it on normal load. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. I don't know what to do it on, so I just did it on delicates, and I did it on cold, and then all that sets by itself, and then I'm just going to press start. So I have obviously now taken them out of the washer and dryer, and this is the final result. This is the top, this is the bottoms. I'm really happy with the results. They're actually super comfortable, and I would highly recommend doing it because I honestly think it's really cute, and it might look like I made it, but like I feel like that's the whole fun of it. You know, you can actually tell people that you made your own clothes. Also, all of my social media accounts will be linked down below, including where I got like the sweatsuit and yeah. But anyways, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a like, comment down below of any other video ideas that you want me to do, and subscribe, obviously. And I will see you in the next video.